check the ridge line. Check the ridge line when you get through here.
I can't reach that. They're so far.
In the bushes ahead.
You see him?
Yeah, but I don't have range.
I don't have range either. My sniper sucks. He's hit. Let him out. You pretty much own the road. Pull your teammates up there.
I'll find it.
It's behind the bush. Oh my god, your pistol shoots lasers.
Thank you.
What
I'm shooting 3.2s.
Oh, that's why.